Final to say, to start. A COVID 19 vaccine is any of a survival different vaccine technologies intended to provide acquired immunity against coronavirus disease 2019. Previous work to develop a vaccine against the coronavirus disease SARS and MERS established knowledge about the structure and function of coronavirus, which accelerated development during early 2020 of varied technology platforms for a COVID 19 vaccine. As of October 2020, there were 321 vaccine candidates in development worldwide, a 2.5-fold increase since April. In November, 56 vaccine candidates were in clinical research, namely 41 in phase 1 to 2 trials and 15 in phase 2 to 3 trials. The World Health Organization (WHO), the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations (CEPI), and the Gates Foundation (GF) are committing money and organizational resources for the prospect that several vaccines will be needed to prevent continuing COVID-19 infection. The CEPI, which is organizing a $2 billion worldwide fund for rapid investment and development of vaccine candidates, indicated in September that clinical data to support licensure may be available by the end of 2020. On 4th May 2020, the WHO organized a telethon which received $8.1 billion in pledges from 40 countries to support rapid development of vaccines to prevent COVID-19 infections. At the same time, the WHO also announced the development of an international solidarity trial for simultaneous evolution of several vaccine candidates reaching phase 2 to 3 clinical trials. Vaccines have been produced against several animal disease caused by coronavirus, including, as of 2003, infectious bronchitis virus in birds, canine coronavirus, and feline coronavirus. Previous projects to develop vaccines for various virus in the family coronavirus that affect humans have been aimed at severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS and Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS. Vaccines against SARS and MERS have been tested in non-human animals. According to studies published in 2005 and 2006, the identification and development of novel vaccines and medicines to treat SARS was a priority for governments and public health agencies around the world at the time. As of 2020, there is no cure or protective vaccine proven to be safe and effective against SARS in humans. There is also no proven vaccine against MERS. When MERS became prevalent, it was believed that existing SARS research may provide a useful template for developing vaccines and therapeutics against a MERS-CoV infection. As of March 2020, there was one DNA-based MERS vaccine which completed phase 1 clinical trials in humans and 3 others in progress, all of which are viral vectored vaccines, 2 adenoviral vectored and 1 MVA vectored. A vaccine for an infectious disease have never before been produced in less than several years, and no vaccine exists for preventing a coronavirus infection in humans. After the coronavirus was detected in December 2019, the genetic sequence of COVID 19 was published on 11 January 2020, trigger an urgent international response to prepare for an outbreak and hasten development of a preventive vaccine. In February 2020, the World Health Organization WHO said it did not accept a vaccine against several acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, the causative virus, to become available in less than 18 months. The rapidly growing infection rate of COVID 19 worldwide during early 2020 stimulated international alliances and government efforts to urgently organize resources to make multiple vaccines on shortened timelines, with 4 vaccine candidates entering human evolution in March stuck.